Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial we will see how we can download and install latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a web browser. I have Google Chrome, and then in the address bar we will type in the web address as python.org and we will open up the website, and straight away we can see the downloads option. Just take the cursor and it will open up a menu where you guys can see an option called as download for Windows. Now at the moment latest version is Python 3.10.0. Depending on when you're watching this video, this number may be different. Just download the latest version. So to download the Python installer, we will click on this Python and then the version name button. Download will begin and you just have to wait for the download to finish. Now the download is complete. We will click on this show in folder option, which will open up the folder where the downloaded file is saved, which is normally in the downloads folder. So here, in order to install Python, what we do is we will double click on this setup file and it will open up the setup window. Here, if it asks for permission to install, then click on yes. Now here one important setting that we have to do, and that is we need to check this checkbox which says add Python to path. So after making sure that it is checked, you can click on install now. It will install Python with the default settings. Again, if it asks for some permission, then provide the permission. Now waiting for the installation to finish. Now it says setup was successful. We will click on this close and we will close the folders and the Chrome browser that we have opened. Now Python has been installed successfully. To make sure that everything is done properly, click on the start button and search for Python, and you will see the Python shell, and also you guys can see the IDLE. So it means that Python has been installed successfully, and in order to verify whether the path enrollment variable has been updated successfully or not, what we do is we will click on the start button, we will search for CMD and we will open up the command prompt, and here in command prompt we will type in Python space -- version and we will hit the enter button, and it should display the version number of Python which is installed in your computer. So if you can see the Python version installed, then it means that everything has been set properly. So this is it guys, this is how you guys can download and install the latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. If you like it, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.